Welcome back guys. As promised, here's the video of our third day Manali trip. Watch the video till the end for our thrilling river rafting experience. After having our breakfast and a cup of my favorite cappuccino, we were taken to a place which is called 360-degree Viewers Point. The full view of this viewers place will be shown in my next video. After clicking so many pictures, we also had a great time chatting with the locals here. They are so kind and sweet. Do let me know how did you like my slow-mo video in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram. After which we visited the Gurudwara Manikaran Sahib. It is a pilgrimage center for both Hindus and Sikh. Even when the temperature was 14 to 16 degrees Celsius, you can see the hot water spring. It is a natural hot water spring at Gurudwara Manikaran Sahib, and this water is used to cook rice for the langar. And here's the video that you've been waiting for. Our thrilling and amazing river rafting experience that you will love it. Watch the video till the end.
Okay, back. Okay, down. Okay, up. Okay, that's the ending. Okay. Huh?
Do let me know how did you like the video, and if you have not seen the first part of this Manali trip, you can click on the video here.